What's up, y'all? If y'all watching this, my package came through since last week and I was waiting on my mold. So I'm about to be opening this up clip by clip. You'll see it and shit. And yeah, probably a fire or something, I'm guessing. I'm about to show y'all my mold I got from my dentist. I went to go get my teeth cleaned, and then I told him I was gonna get a bottom 8 grill. So check this out, y'all. I got some ugly teeth, I know. Look at that, all crooked in the bottom. Sheesh. Let me see that real quick. Hold up. There we go. See a little more better. That's my mold. Now I still have to do the other the other 2 molds that came with the box as well too. Where is this box right here? So the mold's in there as well as the box is sent away. And yeah, I'm over here outside the US post office right now, just showing y'all this right here real quick. Hopefully they don't, like, it's not on some BS type of ish, and like this like gets there safe, because this can chip easily. That's what the lady told me. So I'm about to wrap it up in some bubble wrap. Make sure it gets there safe along there. Hopefully it's just like they don't send it back because of the weight or something. It's pretty light, so it's not that bad. It's some white. Oh, here we go. Shit. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending up doing my I guess like a part 2 of this to show my whole grills and shit. So yeah, I ordered. Boom. Gotta mix these 2 right here, this one and this one. Place it in this, and it's the same thing right here, this one. Boom. Simple enough. Don't need to go over this, but I'm just gonna show y'all. Boom, for those who don't know. Simple enough. We're gonna get straight to it. Alright, y'all, so my slow ass had this little thing right here for like the GPS, so it's hooked onto there. We're gonna get the first mold in. Now, I gotta put this in, how long is it? I think it said 3 or 6 minutes. 6 minutes. The dentist, they did only 3 minutes. Alright, so make sure the putty's hard. Slowly wiggle the tray off. Teeth, okay. Put up. That's nasty as hell. Jeez. Alright, I'm gonna get this other one done. Place this nasty one in this bag. Alright, so boom. Now we're gonna take it and put it in the bottom. Okay. This is the last one. We put it in the fucking oh guys, shit's all dripping all over the goddamn place. Boom, they're both in there. Now, my mold was well too right here. Put in the box, send them away. So we'll see how long it'll take, and hopefully they don't send the package back. Hey yo, if you see the camera shaking, it's because I just placed it right now. I'm driving to Philly at the moment, and I'm really happy. My package just came from Gold Custom Grillz. I'm super duper happy. I was gonna say a different word right there, but yeah, if you do not know, well, you'll probably see it in the beginning of the video. I got Grillz professional, my mold professionally done, and I messed up the first couple times on my first grill. I'm about to show you my first grill in a bit as well too. This is so dangerous. That's it. All right, cool. So it came up wrapped in this little package right here. This little what's it say? Jewelry polishing cloth. That's what we come with. Boom. Polishing cloth. Basically what you can use for, I guess, your glasses, but this is for jewelry though. Jewelry. That's cool. They wrapped it real nice and everything. Have their own little wrapping thing. I keep multitasking. Wow, this is gonna be dope. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're about to unveil this thing. It's so shaky. I'm about to pull over for a second. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over for a second for this one. That's kind of, I wanna know if, oh. Okay, so I just pulled over right now, and it looks dope, but it's not exactly what I ordered, in my opinion. Like, it's gold. It came out 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 teeth, but they're cut. They look nice. They're dope, but I wanted just regular ones. I'm pretty sure I ordered that, and I do have a photo of that. So, I got my teeth, but this kind of, I feel 50-50. That's how I feel right now. I feel happy, but oh fuck. Damn. I can talk alright with this. It's not a problem. Nah, you hear a little lisp? Ugly crooked ass teeth on the bottom, but it looks dope as fuck. Now I'm gonna show you my old the first one I ever got. Let me polish these bad boys up. I'm gonna step outside in the sun real quick. Wow. But the only thing I'm not happy with is that how I ordered just a regular gold grill like this, like detail, and they kind of give me one that's all cut up like this. It still looks cool, but I feel 50-50. That's how I feel right now. So the grill fits fine, it feels perfect. I can honestly talk a little bit more better than I would with the top on, the way you talk to it. The way you talk, you gotta figure out a way and shit, so. Damn, look at my mouth. Fucking beautiful. So yeah, I'm about to take it out real quick. Stuck in there. Oh yeah. And there you go, y'all. Alright, y'all, so it's been a couple days I've been wearing this. And honestly, I'm used to it now. Like the bottom grill, at first I didn't like it. And I was like real picky. And I really like it. Stands out like that. There you go, you see that? Check it out. Beautiful grill, beautiful. Sheesh.